I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to attach D-rings to your crochet bag. First, gather your essential materials, the D-rings themselves, a tapestry needle, and a length of yarn that matches your bag. It's important to select D-rings that are the correct size for your strap, typically 1 inch or 1.5 inches wide. Also, make sure your chosen yarn is strong enough to securely hold the D-ring in place, ensuring durability for your finished project. Next, let's talk about positioning. Carefully decide where on the top edge of your crochet bag you want to attach the D-ring. A common placement is about 1 inch in from the side seam, centered on the bag's opening. Use a stitch marker or a small piece of contrasting yarn to mark this precise spot. If you're adding 2 D-rings, ensure they are symmetrically placed for a balanced and professional look on your finished accessory. Now for the actual attachment. Thread your tapestry needle with a length of yarn, approximately 20 inches long and not one end. Begin by inserting the needle from the inside of the bag, through the fabric, and then loop it around the D-ring. Continue stitching through the bag and around the D-ring, making at least 5 to 7 passes. This creates a very strong and secure attachment point, ensuring your D-ring will withstand daily use without pulling away from the bag. Finally, let's finish up. Once your D-ring is securely attached, weave in any remaining yarn ends into the surrounding crochet stitches on the inside of your bag. This hides the ends and further reinforces the attachment. Give the D-ring a gentle tug to ensure it's firmly in place. If you're adding more D-rings, simply repeat these steps for each one. You've now successfully added a D-ring, ready for your strap.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.